Mary. I'm here today to do a brutally honest review on buying and selling clothes to and from ThredUP. Tons of thrifting and fashion YouTubers have done reviews on ThredUP, but I feel like they're all sponsored. I'm not sponsored by ThredUP whatsoever, as you will probably be able to tell, but I have bought 4 items from them before, and then a pretty big haul, which I'm also going to show you after I do this intro. I've sold 2 really big bags of clothes to them and had them resell them and seen the experience firsthand. So I feel like those things qualify me to give you a brutally honest review of ThredUP, which I'm going to do. If you don't know what ThredUP is, it is the world's largest online thrift store. You can send your clothes there and they sell them for you, put them out into the world, and you get a percentage of the profits. Before I get started and show you the unboxing that I filmed a few days ago, go ahead and hit subscribe. It's right down there. Then you will never miss any thrifting, reseller, vintage, eco-friendly fashion content that I post. I made 1 order and it came in 3 packages. I'm gonna open these up, try this stuff on for you, let you know how I like it, and then after all that, I'm going to go over, you know, the positives and negatives of selling and buying on ThredUP. I will preface this by saying I had $47.20 in credit. Okay, so the first item I ordered was in true Mary fashion, which looks very much like a lot of things I already own, a Levi's crew neck striped red and white sweatshirt. The Levi's sweatshirt was $22.99. It's a little shorter than I would like, but I still think it's very cute, and it does work with high waist jeans. It's comfortable, it's in great shape, gorge. And another striped crew neck sweatshirt with a little heart on it. This was $18.99. And I really like this. It is the doe sweatshirt. I don't know if I said that before. It's comfortable, cute, and it actually smells like TJ Maxx, so I'm kind of thinking somebody probably bought this and never even wore it. I like it. And then this is a Banana Republic blouse. It's like very long and oversized that I got for $20.99. For some reason, this shirt, I could not get it out of my mind. I did not want to pay $20 whatever for it. I thought it was way too much for ThredUP, but I just really thought this would be cute with skinny black jeans or pants, some heels. Could wear it to work, could wear it wherever I want. It's a little longer than I thought, but I think it will still work. I still think it was too expensive, but I like it. This next package included this one blouse, which I actually only paid $5.40 for. Not bad. This is by Lumiere. Cute little print on it. It's a little tight in the armpits. It has these little slits on the side. It's a little bit big, but I'll probably tuck it in. So could definitely wear this to work. Not mad at it for $5. Last bag had 3 things. This is just a basic t-shirt, which I believe was $7 by Let Them Eat Cake. It's super comfortable, super soft. I like the way it hangs. I like this very much. I can see myself wearing this all the time, just as a nice basic. So happy with that. Another kind of tank top blouse, which was $6.60. Now this is the Roz and Ally tank top. Once again, this is kind of tight under my armpits. This kind of is ripply. I do like the pattern, but it's not my favorite. Not my fave. This basic blouse, which was $7.78. Okay, this is cute. It is just kind of a polyester-ish blouse. Like the color, like the v-neck, looks cute tucked in. It's in a little short for what I like, so definitely like how it looks better tucked in. I would say overall happy with this item. going to say ThredUP is a great place to buy from. I would definitely recommend it. I am going to continue buying clothes from there. Number one reason is that it's eco-friendly. We're keeping clothes out of the landfill by buying them secondhand, which any way you do that is a positive. Now, I have been on a journey of trying to buy less fast fashion, so for me, it's a no-brainer that I will want to shop there. You know, you can do it from your bed and you don't have to wait for a thrift store to be open to go out and look. They have a ton of stuff, which is a pro, but also brings me to a con. Sometimes it's hard to find something because like at a real thrift store, you have to sift through a lot to find one thing you like. They do have a search function where you can pick lots and lots of categories, but sometimes you don't know exactly what kind of shirt you're looking for. You just want to look through all the shirts, and if you're gonna do that, you have to look through a lot. You can do a saved search. What I've done is I've put all the brands that I normally like into that, and then I can go back and search in my size what is from those brands on the site right then. So that helps a little, but I will say overall it can be a little overwhelming to look through the site. Another negative I've found with the site is sometimes the pictures on the mannequins aren't the best. They just use like a dress form or a mannequin that's, you know, a torso, which sometimes the sleeves end up showing funny, and sometimes, especially like a bodycon skirt, it doesn't really show what it's gonna look like on you. It just looks kind of funny. They also don't steam the clothes before they take the picture, which I guess this isn't really a problem with the site. It would be a problem with the people who are selling their clothes through ThredUP, because they tell you to, you know, wash and steam everything before, and if the picture's good, that's gonna be a negative for the person who's selling the stuff because their stuff isn't gonna sell, more so than ThredUP. I mean, they don't have time to steam every freaking thing that people send, but I do feel like it's kind of a negative that sometimes the pictures aren't the best. And then sometimes I feel like if you're not getting an item on sale, it can still be pretty pricey. For me, I'm willing to pay a little more because it's just not fast fashion and it's more eco-friendly. But a lot of the prices you could find just as good at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They do have sales, which a lot of the stuff I got in this haul was from sales, and really, those were great prices. So I do think it's good to look out for sales because once you do get the items on sale, it does get really cheap. Those are really the only negatives. Overall, would I recommend shopping at ThredUP? 100%. You know, when you have some time that you can go through a lot of stuff online, it's really great and it's helping keep things out of landfill. So can't go wrong there. As far as selling things to ThredUP, I've sold 2 bags of clothes to ThredUP. Okay, so with ThredUP, you get 5 to 80% of the selling price. The more valuable the item is, the higher percentage you're gonna get. So that's how it works. In my experience, the return on the items I've given them is super low. I was shocked the first time I saw how much stuff was selling for and how much I was getting of that, because it doesn't tell you when you're sending it in. It just says 5 to 80%. Like, who knows, you know, 5 and 80 is very far apart. For some examples, thing that I've sold through there that got the most money for me was a Christian Dior blazer. It sold for $63.99 and I got $27.74, which is 45% of what it sold for. That was Christian Dior and they gave me 45%. Everything else I've sold has made considerably less. Second highest paid item I sold from there was a Karen Zambos dress that I had actually purchased from Runway. They sold it for $39.99 and I got about 25% of that, which was $9.25. I got $3.75 for an Anthropologie shirt, 70 cents for a Boohoo dress, a J. Crew factory shirt, $1.70, 60 cents for a Rose and Olive shirt, another Anthropologie blouse, I got 27 cents, a dress from TJ Maxx, I got 27 cents, Gap jeans, 27 cents, and Ann Taylor Loft t-shirt, I actually got $1.08, cocktail dress from Ann Taylor, I got 22 cents, so it's just super low profits that you're getting. And with the money you do get, even though it doesn't end up being that much, you can either, I believe, cash out or use it towards more purchases at ThredUP, which is what I usually do, since like who wants a check for $2? That being said, it couldn't be easier for the seller. I would 100% still sell to them when I have exhausted every other option. As a reseller, I think it's a great thing to have in your back pocket when you just want to get rid of stuff. If you've tried Poshmark, if you've tried eBay, I would go to a consignment store in my local area to try to sell to them before sending it to ThredUP. I might even go to Plato's Closet or Clothes Mentor. If you've done all those things and you still have items left and you just need to make space, yes, I would send it to ThredUP. It literally couldn't be easier. You can either request them to send you a bag or a label, and you can put it on your own box. You put your clothes in, send it off, and you don't have to do anything else for the rest of the time if you don't want to. You can edit the prices of the item if you want. I never have tried that to make them higher. I don't know if the stuff would have much luck selling and you still wouldn't get that much money, but you can edit them if you want. They also say that they only accept current styles. I will say this is not true because I've sent them tons of vintage clothes and they've definitely taken them and put them on their site. What happens when the items don't sell is you either have to pay to have them sent back to you, which is, I mean, who wants to do that? The other option is they say they will become the property of ThredUP and will be responsibly recycled or sold at a later date. So I guess we can trust that they will recycle them responsibly, and that is a pro. So overall, would I sell clothes through them again? Yes, 100%. If I had exhausted every other option and didn't care how much money I was going to get for them. So yeah, overall, I think ThredUP is great to buy from completely. And I also think it's a great way to dispose of clothes in an eco-friendly way if you're not necessarily so concerned with getting the most money you can out of them. Let me know in the comments if you've ever done buying or selling through ThredUP and what you thought. So anyways, that was it. What do you think? I am excited about shopping eco-friendly. Definitely smells like TJ Maxx. Like I feel like I have walked into TJ Maxx. We all know that smell. I can't describe it. It's just the way TJ Maxx smells.